Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about how you can find email addresses and keywords on websites, and that's really easy with Zenros. Let's dive into the workflow. I'm going to use Clay for this specific use case and not go to the Zenros UI. But basically, at the center of this process is how Zenros is able to find keywords from websites, find email IDs, find titles from the websites, find phone numbers if you're interested in directly calling them. So for this example, I've taken a bunch of websites and I have used another tool to scrape them from Google Maps. And this is basically the category of each of these websites. Now I'm using Zenros and I'm going to walk you through in a bit on how this is set up. So the URL to be scraped is basically the website, which is the input. And this is the important part. The HTML output fields are very neatly segregated, and this is one of the key important aspects in getting really clean data. And for this specific use case, I'm using, or rather, I'm finding the title, I'm finding the keywords, I'm using the description, any extracted other keywords, any emails, and phone numbers. Now, apart from this, there are a bunch of other things like social links. If you want to find out their, like the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram profiles of these local businesses, and maybe any other images and the body text and languages. For this specific use case, I'm going to stick to these six HTML output fields and I'll show you how this works. Um, we are going to select premium proxy and we are going to select anti-bot to get around any, like detection parameters that are there on these websites. And that's it. Your Zenros is set up. Since I'm running it through Clay, I'm directly using the Zenros integration, which is going to cost me a bit higher for this use case, 1 credit per row. But if you use the Zenros API, it will cost you way uh, less compared to the direct Clay integration. Right now, I've run this already, and I'm going to show you how the data comes up. So as I'd mentioned, I'm getting the title, email, keyword, description, and a bunch of other things. I'm putting it into a specific table over here. Now, Zenros has gotten really good with a few things. For example, if you see the specific email ID, this is not the format of an email ID. The reason why this is coming is because often at the rate over here. Now, this could be that there are some Google coordinates on the website and Zenros is still not able to find it. About 6 to 7 months back, about 20 to 30% of the data would have this. Now, Zenros process has gotten really stronger, and if you see out of about, I think about 15 or 18 websites, we see just one case over here, and then you could use JavaScript or AI to filter out these emails. Now, this is one specific website where it says the scrape is successful. It has extracted certain keywords, but there are no email IDs and phone numbers. Let's kind of look at this website right now. Okay, it says connection not private. Um, I mean, it's great that Zenros is able to go past that and still. Okay, so it's not able to do that because it says connection. There's some issue with the website and it's not been able to do that. And hence, you don't have any data coming in over here. So, usually, why or for what reason I use Zenros is that one, I'm using it for finding email addresses from websites, and the other thing I'm doing it for finding the keywords so that on Google Maps businesses specifically, you see a lot of adjacent businesses getting found via the tool that you're using, And keyword search will help you to filter out all those companies or businesses that you don't want to target. And Zenrose does a great job in doing these couple of things. So I hope you liked this and found this information really helpful. Like or comment on this video. And in case you need any help with setting this up, please reach out to me. Thanks a lot.